Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Robin and I have not uploaded on my YouTube channel for about a month, exactly a month today. So today's going to be like a little update live video, but more specifically about why I've not been uploading and showing you the proof of why I've not been uploading is because of TikTok. So let's just get straight on into this video. So there's not a main reason why I've not been uploading. I could blame it on TikTok. I could just say I could not be bothered. But in all honestly, I have lost motivation to upload on YouTube. And I think that is down to short form content, because short form content is so easy to get, not easy, but it's easier than long form content, and this type of content being YouTube is so much harder to get a living out of it, earn a job. And to be honest, the amount of people who do earn on TikTok compared to YouTube have transferred onto TikTok because they're earning more on TikTok than YouTube now. Maybe because it's easier when you do get onto the creator program, or maybe it's because it's easier to film a shorter video than a long form video on here. And also you have to keep in mind you've got the editing as well. Compared to YouTube and compared to TikTok editing, YouTube's editing is so much longer than TikTok's editing. On TikTok, I barely even edit. I do edit specific videos, like if I'm doing transitions or if I've made a mistake in a video, I will edit it out. But there's less editing in TikTok than there is with YouTube. And with this video, I want to try and transfer you onto TikTok in a way. Now, I love long form content. I'm watching Zoe Suggs vloggers this month, and I cannot wait if she does Vlogmas this year. But filming and editing long form content takes way longer than filming and partly editing short form content. And that is not the only reason why I am filming more on TikTok than YouTube. I am also earning money off TikTok. I've never been so proud and happy to say that. But here's the proof. I'm literally earning money, and I'm earning different ways to earn money. I'm growing to the point that I can get to the point to be on the TikTok Creator Fund. And funny enough, I am nearly at 1,000 watch hours on my YouTube channel, and I still have to get 2,000 watch hours as well. But even though my TikTok is growing so good, and with the lives, and with the gifts, and with the TikTok purchases, I'm actually making I don't want to say a living, but like I'm making money off TikTok. And if you've been here for a long time, that is all I've wanted to do, is earn money from social media. I've made it obvious, but I've also showed you guys I'm doing it because I love it, not because I just want the money. I'm doing it because I love it. I pretty much do the same type of content I do on my TikTok now. So I will be linking my TikToks all around the YouTube video, and I'll link it down below. But I just want to go in more detail about why TikTok is as big and is doing as well as it is compared to YouTube. And this isn't me bringing YouTube down, by the way. One of my first reasons why you should transfer onto TikTok if you want to have your dream job of doing social media is, even though I'm not on the creator fund right now, I will pop up what it looks like as a content creator, TikToker myself. But I am closer, believe it or not, I would say I'm closer to being on the creator fund than being on the YouTube program. Now, I will also pop up my YouTube program analytics as well. Now, it might look similar to you, but 100,000 views compared to 3,000 or 2,000 watch hours is a big difference. Even though I've not made either of them, I am kind of dropping right now on my views, but that's because I've not been as consistent these past couple of days. But I genuinely do believe I can get on the Creator Fund this year. Now that might be hoping and a big manifestation, but I'm putting it into the universe. I genuinely believe, even though we're in August, I genuinely believe I can do it, because you have 30 days, and yes, it's not as long as you have for the YouTube program that is in a year to hit 2,000 or 3,000 watch hours, but 100,000 watch views compared to in the next 30 days compared to 3,000 watch hours in a year. Now, if you're a small creator like I am on my YouTube, I would need to upload daily, and I just told you guys I'm not feeling motivated. So this is why I've been uploading on TikTok more than YouTube, and also why I've lost motivation for YouTube, because I also feel like, this is just me personally, I get more interaction off TikTok than I do off YouTube. Now again, lately I've been growing my subscribers on YouTube. I don't know how, because I've not uploaded within a month, but I've been growing my subscribers, till growing that watch hours. But I still would say TikTok to earn money off is just easier, but also you still need to put that hard work in, but not as hard work as YouTube. Now, I'm not saying if you're a TikToker you don't put that much hard work in, because at the beginning when content creators were going to TikTok, or TikTokers were becoming a thing, they got like bad stick for it, being like, well, you don't put that much hard work into YouTube, you just film a video. Like, YouTube is more long form content, so you're putting more longer minutes and hours into your day than you are with TikTok. But I would say the bulk of it with TikTok is the live stream, and if you really want it to work, you need to go live, and that's what I've been doing lately. I'm going to do it after this video. My third reason would be that I feel like PR and brands that send out PR or anything like that, brand related, is getting more well known on TikTok than it is on YouTube. Now, I do see loads of YouTubers still posting about them getting sent PR and products from any different brand, but I see it more on TikTok now than I do on YouTube, and I feel like I'm seeing less vlogs these days and seeing more TikTokers doing like Saffron Barker. I think the only creator I have not actually seen on TikTok, and I might be wrong, I might search it later on, it's Zoe Sugg and Healthy Day. I feel like every other content creator that was on YouTube is now on TikTok as well, and they'll probably admit that they're doing more content on TikTok than they are with YouTube, because most content creators now who do YouTube and TikTok will film a YouTube video that is a full day, let's say 30 minutes in their day, compared to them going to Target or B&M and filming Come Shopping With Me, and then going home, filming a Get Ready With Me, filming Have Dinner With Me. You're getting about like 3 or 4 videos in a day of a TikTok video, of TikTok. And within one vlog, you're getting one vlog. Yeah, within one day, you're getting one vlog. Now, it is still one vlog, and there is people out there who would rather have long form content. I still watch it, but this is why I personally have been uploading on TikTok more than YouTube, is because it is growing rapidly, and the analytics is amazing. I've just found a new way to do like searching words and stuff. I'll put it on the screen. I haven't used it as much lately because I feel like it's not really generating my type of people, because I talk about my disabilities. I'm starting to get back into that, but I also do talk about fashion and beauty and Get Ready With Me and cleaning my room. I do that quite a lot. Do clean with me. But I hope this does not come off as a bragging video and I've just put the camera up to brag that I'm not saying I'm never doing YouTube again, because believe me or not, I'll probably go shopping in a big shopping centre and be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do a shopping vlog. But at the same time, relating to that type of content, I forget to vlog. But then with TikTok, I can just film a pre-marked video and then that'll be like, oh, that's done, I can do the rest of my shopping. Now, I genuinely feel like I'm putting YouTube down. I'm genuinely not. It's just explaining why, because I feel like loads of people are disappointed that YouTube is not as big as it used to be. And I do wish it comes back. But right now, short form content is helping content creators. And so many people say this, so I'm just going to put it out there. Yes, one day, I don't actually believe it will happen, but everyone says one day social media won't be here. What would you do then? Most of these content creators, myself, big content creators like Zoe Sarg and that, I think the people who say this forget that they are actually building skill. So if social media goes out tomorrow, well, first of all, I work in retail, so unfortunately I'll be sticking to that job. But second of all, the people who have never worked a 9-to-5 job before, do editing, you learn about brand deals, you learn about branding, PR, they've done live, they're good at socializing, well partly, but they're able to get engagement. And at the end of the day, if social media did go tomorrow, not even content creators, everyone will be screwed, because even older generations rely on social media. You have Facebook, for instance. I don't think people look at Facebook as social media these days, but loads of people message on Facebook. Loads of people have contact with their friends and family across the world. What if they don't have their phone number? You never know. Like, it's not just content creators. It will be everyone. But believe me while I say this, I think social media is going to be here when people like me are like 70. And I'll be uploading, this is how I'm dealing with my disability when I'm 70. My knees are hurting. But you see my point of view. So this isn't a video to say I'm quitting YouTube, because last time I did that video literally didn't blow up, but for my type of following, it blew up for me. And I might just be annoying and title it that. You'll find out, but you would already know. But this is just me explaining my reasons why I'm going onto TikTok for the foreseeable future. Can't say that word. But for the long-term future, I'm not saying I'm quitting YouTube. I'm just saying there might be another month that it's like what it was last month. I didn't upload at all. And to be fair, I actually prefer just leaving my YouTube as memory, filming my TikTok, filming my Pink concert, filming my Harry Styles concert, filming my Taylor Swift concert, even though it's not getting that many views because it's copyrighted. It's still memories to me, and I love that. I also do upload them on TikTok because I can actually hear the sounds, but to be able to put all the clips together and put it in a long vlog, that is what I got YouTube for, to make memories and to capture memories and to be a fashion and beauty channel. If you told Robin in 2017, you won't believe it, Musical.ly is going to turn into TikTok and you're actually going to earn money off that TikTok and not off fashion and beauty. You're going to earn it because you're spreading awareness about hidden and physical disability. All of the ones that you've got, she'll probably be like, yeah, no, I would never talk about my disability. But, well, it wasn't that I would never talk about my disability. I didn't think it was important, but at the time I didn't realise how much awareness there should be to hidden and physical disability, especially on a platform that is TikTok, because there is also so much negativity on TikTok. That was the first platform that I got my first hate comment about my teeth, my coin machine teeth. But besides that, TikTok and YouTube have their positives and their negatives. And this is just why you should go and follow me on TikTok, because you'll see me more. But I hope you enjoyed this little catch up. And just a quick one with retail. I've been nearly in retail for 2 years and I, again, would rather do this. But I'm doing good at it. I'm working. I'm earning money. I'm in the mindset a job is a job now. So, yeah, I'm just trying to get on the creator fund or YouTube program. This video might shock me. I might end up on the YouTube program, and if so, you might see me more. So if you want to do that, go subscribe, give this video a like, and comment down below, what platform do you like more, TikTok or YouTube or Instagram? But I'm really bad. I'm worse than this. I'm really bad at uploading on Instagram. But yeah, bye guys.